Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. So first of all, I like to say everyone happy new year 2023. So this is my first video in 2023. So guys, in my channel I'm going to give full makeup of tutorial step by step, but little bit like how to apply foundation, how to apply concealer, like that. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to apply foundation in the correct way. So let's begin. So first step, very important, to clean your skin before you start makeup. So guys, I always talk about the skin care and skin prep, how to prepare your skin. If you don't clean your skin, your makeup will be look patchy, uneven apply. If your skin is clean, your makeup will be long lasting, evenly applied, and 24 hours your makeup will be still look good. So very first step, I'm going to clean my skin. You can use any kind of cleanser. I'm taking cotton pads, then I'm going to clean. So why is a cleanser is very important? Because to take out any old makeups, dirty skins. Then again I'm going to cleanse one more time my skin. Same cleanser I'm going to use. Then I'm going to clean around nose, around face. Then just circular motion, just massage gently, especially around the nose. You can't clean properly. Then I'm going to use damp cotton pad, then just clean. Next step, I'm going to do moisturizing. So guys, moisturizing very important to apply no matter what kind of skin types have you got, oily, normal, combination or anything like that. Very important to apply moisturizing. So moisturizing really helps to hold your makeup and long lasting, and you can use 2 types of moisturizing a day if you're doing makeup a day. If you're doing in the night time, only use 1 type of moisturizing. So I'm going to use 2 types of moisturizing. One is a normal moisturizing and one is with SPF. I'm going to use moisturizing from Clinique. So I'm going to apply extra in near my nose because I've got very dry skin near nose and I want to make sure it's hydrating. Second moisturizing, I'm using sun lotion with SPF 30 to protect my skin with the sun rays. So if you're doing makeup for night, skip some lotion. Next, I'm going to apply eye cream to keep eyes hydrating, reduce any puffiness and anti-aging effects, and reduce to black circle eyes. So guys, you can use any kind of eye cream. This eye cream is very nice. It's very lightweight, non-greasy, and always apply very lightweight because this area is very sensitive area. Next, I'm going to apply lip balm from Vaseline Rosy to keep my lip smooth and plump, especially in the winter. It's cracked sometimes, very dry, and when you apply lipsticks, it looks very dry and patchy. So even when you not do any makeups, make sure you apply lip balm to keep your lip smooth and plump. So guys, I've done my skin care or skin prep. So I'm going to leave my skin 3 to 4 minutes at least to observe all products on my skin. Next I'm going to apply primer. So I'm going to use two kind of primers today. So first primer I'm going to use from Murphy. Primer also very important before you apply makeup application for long lasting makeup, brightness your skin, refine texture, also help in achieving a smooth makeup application. This is a normal primer, so I'm going to apply whole my face. Primer also stick in your top of the layer of the skin and very rare chance to damage your skin. Second primer I'm going to use pore blur primer. Only I'm going to use around my nose and where I need it. So guys, sometimes your pores is invisible. Some are large, some are small, but I think it's everyone got pores. So next step I'm doing correcting. Depends what kind of skin condition have you got. If you got any hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, black spots, black circle eyes, redness, blemishes like that, so must do correcting before you apply foundation. Otherwise your foundation will look gray or ashy. So I have got color correcting palette, Dharma color camouflage, and I have got lots of color correcting. So I'm going to show you on the bottom primer all color correcting. If you got any kind of black problem in your skin like a hyperpigmentation, black circle eyes or something like that, so you must use orange or red color corrector. If you got any redness in your nose or cheek, use green color corrector. If you got any blemishes, use pink color corrector. If you got dullness in your eyes, tap yellow color correcting under your eyes to brighten up dark circles. Orange corrector, use an orange color corrector to correct sallowness or any other yellow tones in your skin. So guys, if you got light under circle eyes or not very dark spots in your face, so use peach color corrector. So guys, you can see I haven't got very dark black circle eyes or any hyperpigmentations. Peach color correcting I'm going to use. So I'm taking very clean small brush. Only I'm going to apply where I need it. Then I'm going to blend out very gently. Next I'm going to apply foundation. So foundation I'm using from Maybelline Fit Me. Then taking in my hand about 2 pump, not too much. Then I'm going to apply from finger, dot. So I'm going to start from where the cheekbone is. I'm going to leave eye areas. So from here to there, round, and my forehead. Then I'm going to leave where the eyebrow line is. So apply very less amount so you can control it. Don't apply too much, otherwise your foundation will be very thick layer. Then I'm taking damp beauty sponge. Then I'm just doing dab way. So make sure your beauty blender is squeeze all water, excess water, and make sure it's damp. Then blend out very properly, evenly applied. So application you can use beauty sponge or beauty brush like that. So this area I'm going to sew with the beauty blender, beauty sponge, and another area I'm going to use the brush. Then I'm tell you how to blend out and buff out. Don't drag down, just apply like that, very smooth way, very gently. So brush is the quicker way, and beauty sponge takes time to blend out. But for me personally, I'm mostly use damp beauty sponge. Then just blend out, dab away, never drag down. Leave the eyebrow area, just here, leave it. You can use a small beauty sponge to apply corner of your nose, because sometimes you can't apply near the nose. And just blend to get flawless result. If your base is not very good, it doesn't matter how good you're doing good makeup, your makeup will look cakey and patchy and uneven applied. Then don't forget to apply in your neck. So always treat your neck and face skin same. Don't apply extra in your neck, because if you start to sweating in your neck, all thick foundation will look layers. Then apply in your hairline, always left over. Don't forget your hairline. Next, I'm going to apply concealer to give bright and coverage appearance. So I'm going to use under my eyes where you need it. If you need to cover any spots like that, you can use the concealer to conceal. Always try to use a liquid concealer. Don't use thick layer. Hard to control if you apply very thick layer. Otherwise became crease, patchy, even look older. So I'm going to use very less amount. Near my mouth where is uneven skin tone, little bit patchiness here. And in my nose. Then I'm going to use clean small brush, then blend out. Just look upward and gently blend out. Don't drag down. Very light hand you have to use. If you think it's not cover up, you can reapply. But if you apply all in one thick layer, very hard to remove, very hard to control. Just blend out in a dabbing way. Dabbed up, never drag down. You can use any beauty blender to blend out. Next, I'm taking very clean brush. Then I want to make sure everything is blended out properly. Then I'm going to let it dry, foundation and concealer, before I apply loose translucent powder. Next, I'm going to apply loose translucent powder to set up concealer and foundation for long lasting, and I'm going to apply T-zone under my eyes. First, I'm going to apply in my under eyes before it starts to crease. For under eyes, I'm taking a small brush. You can use powder puff to apply extra amount, dust out, then gently apply, very light way, very less amount. Then I'm going to apply in T-zone. Especially I'm going to apply where I start to sweat. Don't use too much powder, otherwise your face will be look powdery. So guys, you got beautiful foundation base now, evenly applied. So guys, you can do rest of makeup. So I'm going to rest of makeup, then come back. So guys, I done light makeup. So you can go ahead, heavy makeup or light makeup is optional. So you can see is flawless result, very evenly applied, blend out very good, no patchiness, no crease. So very end, I'm going to apply makeup setting spray for long lasting makeup. then let it dry. So guys, hopefully you liked my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will bring another video step by step for tutorial. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.